How to use a Chromebook. First, you'll need to know where the Chromebooks are. Locate the Chromebooks. Retrieve said Chromebook. Once you have done that, close the Chromebook cart to show respect inside of the classroom. Make an L shape with your left hand, and use your opposite hand to pull the screen away from the keyboard. Locate the power button. If you don't know what it is, think of it as a C with an eye protruding through it. Press said power button. Once you have done that, press the two arrows inside at the beginning of the lock screen of the Chromebook. Now, access Google Chrome.